If you own a 2016 to 2020 Camaro, you know the interior is good, but that stock shift knob often feels like cheap plastic, especially when you're really driving. This upgrade promises to fix that single biggest tactile complaint immediately, transforming the way you interact with your car. We're looking at the 1Le Shift knob and boot, specifically designed for the 5th and 6th Gen Camaro console, and the difference is night and day. The key feature here is the material, suede. Swapping out that standard knob for this black suede unit instantly elevates the cabin. It's not just about looks, though the black color is perfectly stealthy and matches the performance aesthetic. It's about the feel. Suede offers incredible grip, whether your hands are cold or sweaty, giving you a much more confident and connected feel to the transmission. That slick, sometimes slippery plastic is gone, replaced by a soft, premium texture that just feels right in your hand. This isn't some generic aftermarket piece either. It carries the specific part, number 24,280,7140, which suggests an OEM-level fitment for the 2016 through 2020 models. That means installation should be relatively painless, snapping right into the console location without any weird gaps or alignment issues. When you're dealing with interior trim, especially something you touch every single time you drive, fitment is absolutely crucial. Knowing this unit is built to meet industry standards for quality control gives you peace of mind that it's going to last and perform consistently. The combination of the suede boot and the knob itself creates a cohesive, high-performance look that mirrors the higher-tier 1Le models. It's a small change, but in the world of car modifications, the small changes that improve the driver interface are often the most impactful. If you've been looking for a simple, high-quality modification that makes your daily drive feel more special and your spirited driving more precise, this is definitely it. It's an essential tactile upgrade that delivers on its promise of premium feel and perfect fitment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.